guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Laurasia Andrea, and we are about to get into it. This video is sponsored by Eayon Hair. You guys have seen me work with them quite a few times on my channel thus far. I love their wigs because they are very affordable for the price for what you get. They did send me this braided wig. This is actually a 360 wig, and I did not really put it up in a ponytail or anything because usually when it comes to 360 wigs, they're 9 times out of 10 in a medium circumference, and I am a small, so I definitely had to finesse this wig a little bit to fit my head. But nonetheless, y'all know I'm Laurasia Andrea, and we make it work and do what it do. Another thing that caught my eye was how small these braids were. They are also knotless, and they are boho braids, which is really trending right now in the braid community. The first thing I did as far as customizing was put some foundation powder inside of the wig to camouflage that lace, make it blend a lot more with my skin tone. And if you spray it with some hairspray, it's an easier way to do the ball cap method without doing the ball cap method. So I did cut the ear tabs on both sides, and it didn't ruin the wig at all when I did that. And then I also went and plucked the baby hairs off the front of the wig. I'm so happy that they did give me baby hairs. They weren't those obnoxious thick baby hairs. I wanted to just be extra and do what I always do and thin out my baby hairs to my liking. And then I just cut what I call adult baby hairs to make the hairline look more natural. Now, this is something I'm probably going to continue doing for the next era of my wig journey, and that is putting the lace spray inside of the lace. If you guys have not seen my last video, please go and check that video out because I explain all of this in detail. But basically, if you put that lace spray inside of your lace instead of on top, it avoids any cakiness on your lace, makes your wigs last longer as far as the lace part, and it's a simpler way to do the glueless method without having a bunch of product on your hairline. So I'm going to be doing a part 1 and a part 2 of this video. This is going to be the first initial install. Lately, I've been doing reinstalls in my videos as well because sometimes the install don't be the same when you do it a second time. So I like to show y'all that the wigs that I choose to do on my channel is definitely worth it, definitely worth the money. I'm just going to use this hairspray and spray any areas where I see that I have leftover makeup, and then I just went and made sure that I had any areas that needed to be plucked, and then also just went in with some tinted lace mousse to camouflage any areas where I felt like the lace was pretty light, and I just soaked that in with some paper towel to get up any excess color and make sure it didn't stain my lace further than I really wanted it to. So this is pretty much what the initial install is looking like. I feel like it always looks really good the first time you do it, but the biggest question is, what is it going to look like the second time you reinstall the wig? So this is about 2 or 3 days later. I'm going to be doing that reinstall for you guys using that same gel to prep back my baby hairs. I co-washed my hair before this video. Nonetheless, this gel does not cake up, and that's why I love using it underneath my wigs. Going to go in with that same Eayon skin protector spray to activate that lace spray underneath my wig. I did not wash this wig or anything. This is only about a few days later, so that lace spray is still underneath this wig and it's still going strong. So this mousse you guys see right here is actually the Eayon lace mousse. I'm going to be doing a video next really detailing how I use this mousse, why I love it, and all that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned for my next video. So these are boho curls, and I love the curls on this wig. I feel like they are so cute, and I just wanted to define them a little bit more by using some new products. As far as this leave-in concoction I have, it's basically hot water powder and the Mielle curl cream. I will make sure I put the links in my Amazon storefront down below, but I just use that to wet the hair. And then I'm going to go in with this high key hair gel. When I tell you, the high key line has been slaying my wigs from A to Z, whether it's curly hair, whether it's straight hair, whether it's kinky hair, body wave, you name it. This line has been honestly taking my wig game to the next level. This hair gel I love for my curly hairs. It defines the curls really good and it holds that wet look all day. And then the last thing I'm gonna do while my hairline sits and melts in, I'm just gonna be plucking the parting in front of the wig. I feel like this back section is just really bulky and I really didn't want that super fake wig braided look. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I just went in like about 8 sections and just thinned out that parting space and cut any extra hairs that may have been sticking up. And then I also went in with my colored lace wig powder and put that in the parting and sprayed that down to take away any excess powder I may have and to make it look as natural as possible. And y'all can see that little small added touch I just did just took this braided wig to the next level. That is pretty much the end of the video. I am loving the way that this hairline is looking. When I put this wig on TikTok, y'all was like, no freaking way. You sat in a chair and got your hair braided. There's no way this is a wig. But honey, yes, it is a wig. I also went ahead later and cut off that extra lace that I had on my hairline just to make it look more believable. But y'all, that is pretty much the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section how you guys think I did. Link to this wig will be down below. And as always, can't wait to see you guys in my next one. And bye guys.